Vechain is kind of forgotten right now, and that's a major, major mistake in my eyes. Vechain is going to absolutely explode. What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on Vechain. Vechain, in my eyes, is one of those coins that a lot of people have forgot about. You're not hearing about Vechain a whole lot on some of the larger channels and just in the crypto space in general. I think Vechain is one of those coins that some people have forgotten about, but in my eyes, when Vechain starts to move and when Vechain explodes, there's going to be people lined up around the block trying to get into Vechain later. So that is why I am happy I am already positioned into Vechain. If you are a fan of Vechain or you're a Vechain holder, click subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner. Click my logo, click subscribe, or click subscribe below like normal. On this channel, we are covering 20 plus assets, including ADA, XRP, HBAR, Vechain, and CKB. And we cover a whole lot of other coins too. We cover some sleeper coins. We got some sweet indicators that you might not see on some other channels. And we're just going to keep attacking the charts and trying to stay on top of everything as closely as possible, especially in November and December. Smash the like button below before you watch the video. Smash the like button below. I do put a lot of time into these videos, so that's a free way to support the channel. Let us dive into the Vechain chart here. So the Vechain chart, I've got some drawings out here. This is on the weekly, so remember, every candle is 1 week. So just through here, right here, just this correction right here, that's 2 months time. Okay, so we're pretty zoomed out. So right here, my cursor, we're March 2020 here at the start of Vechain's run. Here is March 2020, just to give you some context here of what's going on. But the way I'm seeing it here, and I've shown this in other Vechain videos, I'm going to show some new stuff in this Vechain video, though, that I think you're going to like. So what I am seeing is this A, B, small c correction, and then boom, it makes that giant movement up, and then A, B, C correction. That's what's coming next? Well, we are in Q4 2021, bull run every 4 years. We had Q4 2013, Q4 2017, and now we are Q4 2021. So will this be a monumental bull run in 2021 that we haven't seen in a while? I'm hoping so. I'm thinking so. Let's see what happens. So taking a look here, though, you can see when Vechain got caught in this pattern, I showed the ABC, and then it makes the movement. That's what we're waiting on. We're still waiting to break that trend line. One thing to point out here, though, if I do measure this out as an ABC pattern, let's see here. Let's do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we're going wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is where the fifth wave comes into play. It's going to go off screen here, but that's where the fifth wave is going to come into play. I can move this here. So basically this fifth wave should be at least as big as this first wave, if not the size of this third wave. We'll see. But that's how this moves in wave forms. It's the psychology of the market. It's how the markets move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this fifth wave, if this fifth wave happens to be the size of this first wave, let's measure that out. And you know what? Let's be we're going to be conservative on this too. We're just going to use candle bodies. We're not going to do wicks. We're just going to do candle bodies. So let's move here. We're going to use this VPVR here in a minute too. So just using the candle bodies here, this first run here that it made on wave 1. Let's go candle bodies up to these candle bodies right here and set it 790% on the first wave. 790%. And you've seen some of my calls on my other Vechain videos. So let's just say that on this move, we can grab a 790%. And that would be from the bottom of this A, B, C. So the bottom of the C, yeah, because that's after a full correction there. So after the ABC, if we went 790%, we just measure off the bottom. So A, B, C, we just measure off the bottom here, 790%. Where's that going to take us? It's going to take us off the screen. Let me reset this. So from the bottom candle bodies, And again, I'll just draw it out A, B, C. So off of that, off these candle bodies here, 790%. Where does that take us? So 790%, 76 cents, in that range somewhere there. 76 cents. So I do have videos on Vechain going to 79 cents, and that's based off the fibs. So there's some confluence there. Yeah, so if it does, the wave 5 in this should, I fully expect that wave 5 up out of here will be at least the size of wave 1 down here, like I just explained. So that would be about that 79 cents, which is just the 1618. Let's erase all these. Let's erase some of these drawings here. Let's go to the daily and see what we can see here, trying to break out of this pattern. So yeah, we're still trying to break out of this pattern. This is on the daily, and you're trying to get, like I've been saying, you're trying to come out of here and find support. And right now, that's what you're doing right there. You're trying to find that support. Let's go to the 4-hourly here. So on the 4-hourly, that is, you know, it's something of a good sign. We'll take it. We do have a big red candle right now. We're down to 14 cents. But we have all these candles that have started to close on the 4-hourly outside of this triangle pattern that we've been trying to break out of for a while. So a little bit of positive sign there. We're getting closer to November. Let's go back to the daily and reset the chart. So one thing to point out here with the VPVR, and that is this indicator on the side here. If you don't have the Pro package on TradingView, I don't think you'll be able to see this indicator. I don't think you can use this indicator, but this is the VPVR. This is the Pro package. I do pay for this TradingView and these indicators. That's enough reason alone right there to click subscribe down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Smash the like button below. But the VPVR, it's showing resistance and support levels. And as you can see, look here. If you just get a little bit higher and the market's bullish going into November, if you just get a little bit higher, I mean, this thing can just easily roll up to what looks to be about 18 cents. That'd be 18 cents right there. So it looks like that right there, the lower these bars, the easier it can slice through. And then when the bars are way out, you know, if you had the bars sticking way out this far, then that'd be a major resistance level, just like this is major resistance, this is resistance, etc. And it can act as support too, vice versa. But moving up here, it looks like when Vechain gets a little momentum, it'll just be able to slice through this right to 18 cents. In this area, let's drop a line right here, see what else we can see. Yep, and then you can see right here, this is on the day, we're back on the daily, so each candle's a day. So you can see through here, when after you had this dead cat bounce at the end of April, when the whole market was going to correct. So you hit the top, you started to come back down, you went to come back up, and that's where the start of the dead cat bounce is. When you came down and tried to bounce off the 55, the red line, the 55, when you tried to bounce off the 55, you hit your head on that resistance level. You come back, you hit your head. How many days in, you know, there's a few days in there where you were hitting your head on that 18 cent level. So it has acted as some support before, and that's when you just came way down. You got the bearish cross on the daily. Don't want to see that, but that's that total market correction that we had all summer long. Just a massive, just A, B, C correction that we had, and now we're trying to come up out of that, and that's what we're working on through here that you can see. So a lot going on with Vechain. Let's erase all drawings. Let's clean this up. Remove all drawings, and let's go to, let's mute the VPVR, clean up the chart. Let's go to the 4-hourly. So on the 4-hourly, real smooth. You know, that little bit of dip right there that we're having right now, that red candle, it's trying to find support on the 20, but real smooth here where you have this even spacing, smooth as butter, ready to just continue on, hopefully keep these even, kind of like what Bitcoin did. We'll see what happens. The market's extremely bullish. We're going into Q4. News is bullish. Everything looks to be bullish. There's a lot coming out from Raoul Pal and a lot of price predictions coming out. Overall, the supply shock on Bitcoin and just the sentiment in the market overall is very bullish. It is Q4 2021. So we are looking to make some movement and you know, you can call it a buy signal ever since here on the 4-hourly, October 13th. It was coming down a little lower here, but didn't even need to touch it. It's moving up. So just more patience on Vechain. We still got to find support and come out of that triangle. More patience. Don't get greedy. Personally, with my Vechain, I'm not doing anything with my Vechain. I'm not selling my Vechain to chase other coins. I'm not doing anything with my Vechain. The only thing I'm going to do with Vechain is, as I profit in some of these smaller cap coins I have that are moving right now, as I make profits in other coins and I get higher up in the fibs and some of these other coins, I will take profits from those and I'm going to put them into Vechain, because in my eyes, Vechain is kind of forgotten right now, and that's a major, major mistake in my eyes. Vechain is going to absolutely explode. I have it going to the 79 cents at least on the 1618 on the fib, which I've shown many times on the daily, and with an outside chance all the way up to $2, I believe $2.33. People call you crazy for that. That is a pretty high valuation. That's just what the fib was saying though, the 2272. And we've done that before a number of times, so I'll do that again, and then we'll close out the video. So we'll set it there and there. Come out here, and yeah, up around 79 cents, 1618, 2272, $2.37. It's going to come somewhere up in here, I believe. What'll it do? Will it find this as resistance? Come up, try again. It's just a very speculative market. An extended super cycle bull run that's just crazy into March, then Vechain is going here. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I don't want it to get too long. Smash the like button below, please. Click subscribe. Share the video on Reddit, Twitter, wherever you want, really. And that's going to be it for this one. I'm going to try to get out another video. So we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.